hot, bitch.
S-Type with active exhaust. Looks really good. Let's have a closer look. Borla S-Type with a Steeda X pipe. We'll see what the car sounds like. There's the active exhaust. There's the flaps. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful welds on it. Now, I've shopped a long time for an S-Type. I went to CJ Pony, looked at their prices, American Muscle, other companies across the United States and across Canada, and it was always coming up expensive. $1,500 American. By the time I get it here, we're looking at like $2,700, and some of the companies in Canada were straight up $2,700 Canadian. So it was really expensive. I wasn't gonna get it. Even though I hate the tips the car comes with, is it worth spending $2,700 just for an axle back exhaust? And I just wanted to go with Borla. I didn't want anything else. It was either going to be a Borla or a Corsa, because these exhaust systems don't drone, really good on the highway, and they sound amazing. So it was either going to be a Borla, that was my first choice, or a Corsa being my second choice, and I went with the Borla. So I did find a company here in Canada called Parts Engine, and I can't believe the experience. I mean, it was $1,700 Canadian with a $250 discount, which basically took care of the taxes, and it was delivered within 2 days. It was at my house in 2 days. Free shipping. Amazing. I'm very, very happy. I hope the installation works out. I'm going to try to do it myself, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so the car's up on jack stands and I'm ready for the install. I just gotta make 2 cuts, take the old exhaust off, and here's the Borla S-Type. Put these in and we'll see how it sounds. Okay, these have to come out. That's for the active exhaust. So we'll take these out, we'll make our cuts, remove these guys, and install the Borla. We also have to unhook it right here. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I took this out of here. You just push on the clip, take it off. Now we have to remove this wire here. Okay, good. So that stays with the exhaust when it comes out with the active exhaust here. Okay, now I'm going to go do the other side. You just push on the clip, take it off. Now we have to remove this wire here. I think it's coming. Okay, so the exhaust is out, and now I'm going to transfer the active exhaust wiring to the Borla S-Type, and then we'll put the S-Type, we'll install it back in the car. We'll see how that works out. Okay, there's that little gear. It needs to line up with these slots right here. Okay, so we have to make sure the valves are open. Okay, there it is, it's open. Look inside there, wow. Just beautiful. Okay, so the valve's open. Okay. Now we're gonna have to line it up. This is crucial. There we go. It's in. Beautiful. Hold it down. Okay, I'm going to try to show you inside the active exhaust how it kind of clips together. I hope you can see that. I hope it comes out on the video. That's what we gotta do. It's gotta stay like this, and then I'll tighten it up. Okay, so that's that, guys. That's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Not the easiest installation. Some parts of it were a pain in the butt, but I'm glad I got it done. Car sounds really good. Now the next video coming up, I'm gonna do some sound clips of the car. I'll drive the car, windows up. I'll drive the car, windows down. I'll drive the car, top down. We'll go topless for a little bit, and that way you get an idea of how the exhaust sounds in all those different situations. But yeah, the car sounds amazing. The tips look great. I mean, that really was the reason why I did this to begin with, was I didn't like the tips the car comes with. So I'm very happy with it. If you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video when we do sound clips of the S-Type plus the Steeda X-Pipe. That's the combination that I got on the car. The Steeda X-Pipe plus the Borla S-Type. So always remember to enjoy your car, but always be safe. Until next time.